Working with .NET Service configuration and need to inspect a WCF file. These define how Windows services communicate at a deep technical level. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and edit these Windows Communication Foundation configuration files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering WCF files with corrupted internal metadata. A WCF file is an XML-based configuration file for applications built using Microsoft's Windows Communication Foundation framework. The user is a software developer defining the behavior of a service, including its endpoints, security bindings, and protocols. This file is critical for establishing how distributed net applications communicate with each other. The file uses a standard XML schema. Microsoft chose XML for its human readability, platform independence, and hierarchical structure, which perfectly maps to the complex configuration of WCF services. This declarative model allows developers to modify service behavior extensively without recompiling the application's source code, promoting flexibility and maintainability. The default recognized opener for WCF files is known to be Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows cannot interpret configuration semantics, so editing must be performed cautiously. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your WCF file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If your WCF file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Dealing with a truly persistent WCF file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening in Visual Studio. Open the WCF configuration file in Microsoft Visual Studio using File then Open. Visual Studio recognizes the XML format and provides IntelliSense for WCF schema elements. Right-click the file and select Edit WCF Configuration to launch the WCF Service Configuration Editor for graphical editing of service settings. Next, Editing in Text Editor. WCF files are XML and open in any text editor, including Notepad++ VS Code or Sublime Text. Use proper XML formatting and syntax highlighting to identify service definitions, endpoints, and bindings. Validate XML structure before saving to prevent service startup failures from malformed configuration entries, breaking the WCF service runtime. Finally, using SVC Config Editor, launch the WCF Service Configuration Editor, svcconfig-editor.exe from the Windows SDK or Visual Studio Tools menu. Open the WCF file in this graphical tool to edit endpoints, bindings, and behaviors through intuitive dialogues. The editor validates configuration changes and prevents common mistakes that occur when manually editing XML. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.